Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss what is a YouTube playlist and how can I create one. A YouTube playlist is a collection of videos grouped in one place. Think of it like a music playlist on your phone, but it's a list of videos instead of songs. You can watch the videos one after the other without searching for each separately. Playlists help you organize videos by topics or themes, making it easier for others and yourself to find and enjoy content. Why create a YouTube playlist? Stay organized. You can sort videos by themes like travel, cooking, or fitness tips. Easy watching. Playlists play videos automatically in order, so you don't need to keep clicking on the next video. Shareable. You can share a playlist link and people can watch all the videos in the list. Boost views. Playlists can help your videos get more views because they're easier for people to find. How to create a YouTube playlist. First, you must be logged into your YouTube account to create a playlist. So, sign into YouTube. Next, go to the video you'd like to add to your playlist. Below the video, you'll see a Save button. It looks like a little folder with a plus sign. Click on that. After clicking Save, a pop-up will appear. You can either add the video to an existing playlist or create a new one. To create a new playlist, click on the option that says Create New Playlist. Type in a name for your playlist. It could be anything like my favorite travel vlogs or healthy recipes. Then, set the privacy settings. You have three options. Public, everyone can find and watch your playlist. Unlisted, only people with the link can watch it. Private, only you can watch the playlist. Once you've named your playlist and set the privacy, click Create. How to find and manage your playlists. On the left side of YouTube's homepage, you'll see a menu. Click on Library to find your playlists. You can add or remove videos, change the order of the videos, or even rename the playlist. That's it. You've created your very own YouTube playlist. It's a great way to keep your favorite videos organized and share them with others easily.